We're over here at the sawmill. We're getting ready to get some wood. That's where that big truck we had, big pickup bed, came in so handy. But we're going to try to get what we can with this rack to fill it up. See what we can do. It's not that cool this morning, about 40. But we wanted to get this wood before it warmed up. We're going to have a warm spell. No telling what kind of critters like rattlesnakes could be in there. So we want to come over and get one more load. But this the guy that has the sawmill, he's not going to be doing much work anymore. He's got sawmill up there in the mountains also, and he still has a lot of wood down here. And he said he just become a preacher, and he's kind of doing that right now. And he just started that building over there. And but Bill told him we're looking for wood. Hopefully we can start having people deliver a cord through the summer. We hope that. And he said he's going to look around. He might know somebody. So I hope so. And that way we can just buy it through the summer. Get us a bunch of wood by winter. Anyway, we're getting ready to start picking that stuff up. We were making a joke. The scorpions are going to come home with us.
Yeah.
And they're going to meet Annie and Gus.
I told the guy that owned this sawmill a long time ago, I said, I'm going to leave the scorpions here because I ain't paying for them.
Yeah.
I just pay for the wood. And the rattlesnakes, there's a roadrunner that comes around. Sometimes it gets real close. He feeds it once in a while, or he used to, I guess.
Yeah, it's pretty friendly.
Whenever you start digging around, it usually comes to see what you're uncovered.
Yeah.
I've seen it this morning.
Annie and Gus will take care of them.
Yeah,
Scorpions.
they chew the bark off of these.
Yeah, they like to bark, and they kick all the wood around.
And then the birds will come in and get the
other bugs.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Sounds good story.
It does sound like a good story. There's a lot of wood holding the other stuff down. I think he's gonna wake up the rattlesnakes. Now that should help a little. That's hard to pull that out. So we've been moving all these little sticks off the wood so we can get down to that. Bunch of little wood on the pile. Bill did a rant about the border. So if you want to see that, go over our Life Out West. We took a break and he ranted. Yep, I'll have it over there.
I wore myself out rapping.
You did. keep our eye on the tires. They're getting squatty. So we're not going to be able to get much more. Bill's tightening it down. And we'll get going. So thanks for watching from Out West Homestead. Bye.
You get the chainsaw?
No, it's right over there.
You didn't?
No. We might be able to come back and get that pile.
What?
I said we might be able to come over and get that pile.
Yeah, hope you can.
Talk to y'all later. Heading home. Wildflower. The desert is starting to green up. Another train.